Let us make a simple yet beautiful Christmas card today. Yes, I'm a little bit crazy. I'm using a pair of scissors to draw the star. Using the scissor, first draw the inverted V. Using the scale which is parallel to the top of the paper, I draw lines as shown in the video. Using the same angle of the scissors, place that scissor on the line and draw the V shape. Similarly for other side, with the same angle, keep the scissor on the line that we have drawn and draw the V shape. Using the scale, extend the lines as shown in the video. All the lines should be of same length. So have a measurement. I used a measurement of 3.8 centimeter for each line. And I have used A5 size paper. For these extended lines, draw V shape using the scissor and finish drawing the star. Hope you find this method useful. If you find it difficult, you can use this image as a reference to draw using a scale. Next, I wet around the star. Be ready with the colors Prussian blue and indigo. After wetting around the star, I am applying Prussian blue color. We are going to paint only outside the star. Using indigo color, we are going to give 3D effect to our star. I am rotating the board so that I can easily draw the outline of the star. I tilted my board to 30 degrees so the excess water that is present in the paper is collected at the bottom. You can use a damp brush to collect all the excess water, or you can let the paper flat so that the water creates a background and forms beautiful cauliflower effect. Note that I have made a dark shade only to the left side of the star. This gives a 3D effect to the star. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye bye.